Oh, Ronnie Spielberg out here now.
Why is that not focused? I don't know.
Isn't it focused, Ron?
Oh, it's my viewfinder.
Oh no.
I've
Are you all blurry?
no.
Oh, okay. You realise your run cam is taking a photo of your camera?
No, it's not on.
Oh, okay. So we've got it. What's going up now? The Mustang. Look at that, eh? Has he fixed his rudder on that?
I don't know. Did he fix the rudder?
You only use that for
the screw and then I lost it. Now I found it again.
You only use it for taxiing, don't you, the rudder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That rudder looks fine to me, Ron. Look fine to you?
Yeah.
I don't see any problems with it.
No. It's fully floatable.
Can't see now, you're in the way. God, Ron.
Except if it goes back too far and it pulls out and jams on the boat.
Oh, that's okay. The opposite aileron will hold it.
Should be right. Keep it in place, I hope. To go forward, obviously.
Oh, yeah, it's got one.
Somewhere around there.
Yeah, but that's an inverted CG. But when you put it the right way, it could be way out, eh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Best to launch it upside down then.
Close enough.
Seems stabler that way.
Be alright for a Maiden. Figure it out. Or I'll have spare parts.
You got an Allen key?
It's a little screwdriver.
Is it?
Screwdriver.
What's the Phillips?
Yeah, it's a little screw. Well, it's one I found on the ground, so I don't know whether it's the right one.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Are you installing your receivers like Tim?
Just throw them in.
Just chucks them in.
Yeah, just throw them in. That's near enough.
Close enough. Means if I crash, it's easy to recover the receiver. The
Yeah.
black box. That's all you need.
Like the wiggly bits are wiggling. Beautiful, mate.
It's not the right way, but I checked that.
Don't worry about it.
It makes it. Yeah.
Get Tim to test flight. He doesn't care.
Yeah.
He doesn't care whether the controls go the right way.
Might do. I don't know.
Try it on the ground.
What's your
Try the.
Well, they went up. They come down. The back one's not working.
No,
Don't need that.
it's not very scale, is it, Ron?
No.
I better put some expert on this.
Yeah.
Is this a new one?
Brand new, maiden flight, mate.
Never flown.
Yeah, thanks, Ron. It's the maiden flight. Listen to that vibration, eh? She's beautiful, mate. Love the vibes.
I think something's out of balance.
It could be the tail wheel, you reckon? Well,
Shaking like shit, something.
well, we did notice that the prop of the spinner was kind of wobbly. It's a very scale sound, that is.
And it's fly down this one. That's better.
Oh, the wheels have gone up. Would they fall off?
Nah.
Nice. It's noisy.
I thought electric was supposed to be quiet. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. That is, mate.
Hold on, we'll get it into a dive so we can get the proper sound. Oh, lovely. That's it. She's all she's got.
How many cells you got in that one?
3.
Oh.
Stop.
Yeah, it smooths out when you get the revs on. Either that or that spare blades come off.
Something's falling off. Hello.
Porpoising a bit, eh?
I haven't left full throttle since I took off.
No, you wouldn't want to, would you? Merciless power.
Oh, that's it.
That you getting down.
I left full gas and said, it's just
Focus.
TV's not quite right.
Told ya. See? Shouldn't have done it upside down, mate. It all fell into the cockpit.
Change the wheel. Bring it back to the
Keep the wheels down.
Some of these fixes.
Got to be wheels somewhere. Because those three-bladed props don't like the belly landing.
No wheels yet, David.
No, nothing. No wheels coming down.
Hey?
No wheels.
Poke it with a broomstick as it goes past, Ron.
No wheels.
No wheels. Really? Maybe it's a different switch.
I've tried all of them. Oh, there. I seen something. One come down.
You need to pull some G's to get him down. How many are down? Can't see any. The nose leg hasn't come down.
Look, there's one.
It's a nose leg though, isn't it?
Ah, there we go.
Oh, you got him. Sweet. Beautiful. There's that three-bladed prop working for you. You balanced that prop on the landing. That was perfect.
They would have balanced it.
It must be that vibrating.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That is.
I think it's got a landing gear in the front there. It is the spinner, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Something's rubbing.
Oh, look, it's eating now.
Blown out.
Motor's falling. That's nothing.
No,
that's
it's not
important.
the motor. It's on the.
Is it the hub?
Something's not right.
It's come forward on the hub, has it?
Yeah.
Has it got a collet or something on it?
Yeah, it's got a collar on it.
Well, why, if it's come forward, why did it wear away the foam?
It doesn't matter.
Has it worn away the phone?
Yeah, she's alright.
Oh, she's beautiful, mate. So there's.
Yeah, I'll be
It's a sound car vibrating through the body.
Yeah, bloody hell.
Checking for the root cause of the problem.
I see the yeah.
I think what it had done is it's come forward on
And
the
it was
shaft,
sitting cockeyed.
and it's
Yeah, the motor's tight.
and it was sitting cockeyed on the.
Oh, look, there's screws down in there. Hold on.
Loose ones.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not making that noise anymore.
It's still a bit off, but
It's not.
You haven't got the cone on the spinner though.
no.